Finally, my studio equipment is here. I've been having this dream of buying equipment so that I can be able to record these hymns with a good sound. So today I am showing you the package. It arrived yesterday, or this one arrived last year. So today I'm going to be showing you the equipment that I bought. As you can see, I have the sound card here. This is the microphone, the condenser microphone that I'm going to be using for singing. This is the foam cover for the microphone, and here is the cord for the mic. And here we have the microphone stand. So finally, ladies and gentlemen, good things are coming. Let me show you. It just arrived yesterday from Takealot. My good friend Hosi Tamai was the one who helped me to get this kind of equipment. He's working in RSA. So good things are coming, good people. They are coming. So I'm very excited. Oh, what am I saying? I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm even getting the wrong grammar of this language because it is not our mother language. Anyway, good people, Timeless Hymns and Worship is going to be very late with this kind of recording equipment. Bona, ke lo qalella hore jwale ke hatise difela tsena ka tsela e nepahetseng. Ha o sa tla utlwa tla utlwa fela melody o monate fela. Until next time, I thought maybe why not share? Why not share? This is wow. Wazana ke rekile ka tjhelete. New equipment wa tsana e tswa kae? A few days ago, YouTube paid me for all my hard work, and I was able to pay for this kind of equipment. So people, let's work hard out there. Let's keep following our dreams. Until next time, bye bye.